On May 11, 2009, 7 astronauts risked their lives to travel 580 kilometers into space to replace several components of the Hubble Space Telescope. This mission is known as the most dangerous spacewalk in human history, historically referred to as the Hubble's Great Repair. Since its launch in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has been on its cosmic observation journey, operating for over 30 years to date. Undoubtedly, the Hubble Space Telescope is the greatest space telescope humanity has ever built. It carries the dream of humanity to explore the universe. However, due to early technological limitations and equipment aging, Hubble encountered various problems. Within a few years of its launch, NASA conducted repairs on the Hubble in 1993, 1997, 1999, and 2001. But in 2004, the Hubble Space Telescope faced severe issues again. The increasing repair costs became a burden for NASA, and the impact of the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster in 2003 led NASA to decide to abandon further repairs on the Hubble. According to the original plan, the James Webb Space Telescope would soon be launched to take over Hubble's work. However, the announcement of abandoning repairs sparked widespread public opinion. Many people felt regretful about Hubble's retirement. A 9-year-old girl once wrote a letter to scientists offering all her pocket money to save Hubble. Such letters became more frequent, and under the pressure of public opinion and internal disagreements among scientists, NASA decided to conduct one final repair on the Hubble Space Telescope. On May 11, 2009, the Space Shuttle Atlantis, carrying 7 astronauts, underwent final pre-launch adjustments. To be safe, the Endeavour was on standby, and the International Space Station was ready to provide support if needed. Making the decision was easy, but executing it was extremely difficult. These preparations were to avoid another Columbia disaster. Under the watchful eyes of many, with the main engine ignition, Atlantis launched from Kennedy Space Center, marking the beginning of the most thrilling space repair in human history. Due to the Hubble Space Telescope being 580 kilometers above the Earth's surface, where a large amount of space debris floats, traveling at speeds of 27,000 kilometers per hour. If the shuttle or astronauts were hit during the mission, it would be a catastrophic disaster. They might remain there forever, becoming part of the space debris. To minimize the chances of collision, the shuttle adopted a tail-first approach, effectively protecting the nose and wings, reducing the collision probability to 1 by 185. If you think this is not enough, you can click the bottom left to download the newly launched Douyin Select app, which has many similar science videos and many mechanical engineering and strange news stories. Interested friends, download and try it out. During the mission, 4 astronauts conducted 5 spacewalks to perform the final maintenance on the Hubble, replacing numerous components and upgrading it with more advanced technology, including the 3rd-generation wide-field camera, a new cosmic origin spectrograph, and repairing the damaged imaging spectrograph, among others. The tasks were complex and unimaginable. Astronauts had to step out of the shuttle, turn hundreds of screws to continue working, and cut related circuit boards. If the spacesuit was damaged during cutting, it would be fatal. The repair work continued until May 19, when Atlantis used its robotic arm to gently release the Hubble from the cargo bay, signifying the successful completion of the mission. On the early morning of May 24, Atlantis safely landed at Edwards Air Force Base through manual control, completing the 13-day Hubble repair mission. This repair not only significantly enhanced Hubble's observational capabilities, but also allowed it to continue functioning normally to this day. Moreover, the significance of this repair mission lies not only in repairing Hubble itself, but also in humanity's brave challenge to space. It's hard to imagine that the Hubble Space Telescope has been operating for over 30 years. Over the years, Hubble has brought us countless beautiful images of the universe, allowing astronomers to see the true shapes of young galaxies. For the first time, it has revealed early images of the universe, like a movie playback, constantly refreshing our understanding, showing us how small humanity is as a life form in the vast universe.